Hello, how y'all doing? Dee, you want to know how my birds react to those babies? They don't. They are scared of them. I ain't never seen no babies scared of other babies before, but they are scared of the babies. Rojo and Ruby. Hi, Rojo and Ruby. Hi. Babies down there, how you doing? They are scared of the babies. I don't know why they're not flopping around now with them on top. But they're acting real sweet now. Yeah, they know they're on camera, I think. Anyway, that's my babies. They don't take to my other babies too well. They still scared of Garfield and Tiger. Not Tiger. What's his name? Oh my gosh. Cody. Cody's gonna kill me because I forgot his name. Oh my goodness. Anyway, hi Rojo, Ruby. Hi babies. They are so sweet. They just scared of them, that's all. Yep. They just scared of my babies. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna let you go so I can put them up. Dee, we love you. Bye.